I'm Harsach, I'm 21 years old and I'm addicted to Diet Coke. My addiction started once I realized no calories, no problem. Ever since that, I consume a lot of Diet Coke. I drink my Diet Coke, I sleep with my Diet Coke, I smell my Diet Coke, I take showers in my Diet Coke, I even got a tattoo for my Diet Coke. I love my Diet Coke.
Do you even eat your Diet Coke? Hey, yo, what's up? Hi, welcome to another edition of Hang Out with Harsach. I am Harsach and I love to hang out. Anyways, I know I've realized I haven't been posting a lot, but if you've been following me on Instagram, which you haven't by now, you probably should. You'll see what I've been up to. During my time of YouTube, I came across this Instagram page known as
Look How Recipes 98.
Only thing sweeter than this 5-foot shorty's personality is the dessert she makes. Today we're going to be making 3 recipes, all including Diet Coke. This is going to be a Diet Coke special. Without wasting any further time, let's get cooking. So one of the most hyped recipes on her channel is the ridiculous brownie she makes. I know she has a new and improved recipe out there for which I would suggest go and check out her page. But obviously we're going to try the OG, the best version there is. This is going to be eggless and obviously vegetarian. Anyways, here's the entire recipe. Boom. Obviously you're watching Hang Out with Harsach. We need to add our own zyka, our own little bit itsy bitsy of the twist into this recipe. Anyways, if it doesn't turn out to be bang on 100% accurate, we're just going to wait a couple of years, make it again, call it Snyder's cut. Only thing ridiculous about these brownies were that they were ridiculously delicious as well as too chocolatey for my particular taste. So if you saw the recipe below, instead of using 21 grams of coconut flour, I'll be using 15 grams of coconut flour as well as 15 grams of protein of your choice. She recommends chocolate. You can go for vanilla, that's what I have here, my favorite flavor. Otherwise, you can also go for brownie flavor, which makes the most sense. So I'll be using the sugar-free Naturella Bake & Cook Sanjeevani Booty, my favorite. Love you, Sanjeev. We'll be using around 8 to 10 grams of this for the 45 grams that she recommends. Obviously, this depends on the level of sweetness you like, so take it with a grain of sugar. Guys, this is the pseudo liquid consistency that you should be aiming for. Those ridiculously delicious brownie clearly filled me up, but right now I need some. I want some. I'm craving some Chinese takeout chicken. So we're gonna be making some dark soy, Diet Coke, dark roast chicken. Dark soy, dark roast, chicken, Chinese chicken. We're gonna be making some Chinese chicken with some Diet Coke involved in it. Although
Look How Recipes 98
makes those orange tangy chicken with the Diet Fanta. We in India don't have the luxury of that kind of stuff. So we'll be sticking to the recipe that she got inspired by and taking some inspiration from that. We'll be making this dish. I have really high hopes for this, so let's see how this turns out. Alright, our chicken has been sort of cooked. It's like 80% cooked and our onions have browned a bit. Now I'm going to put the gas on low to medium heat. On top of this, we'll be adding our homemade tomato puree. Nothing beats homemade tomato puree. As well as we'll be adding our ginger and garlic. And we'll let this simmer for about 15 minutes. Alright, so our chicken and our onions and tomatoes have been cooking for a while now. As you can see, they have formed like a huge pav bhaji kind of mess. To this, we'll be adding our chopped capsicums as well as our secret ingredients, about 300 ml of Diet Coke. Smells kind of funny. Hopefully soy sauce to the rescue. We'll put about 2.5 tablespoons. We're just going to wing it and swing it. Like every great chef says, you should taste what you're eating. We still haven't added our vegetable stock or any sort of seasoning. This actually tastes really good. It's really sweet right now. Tastes good. Our chicken's ready. The recipe at the end required me to crumble one chicken stock. We did not have chicken stock, but we had the magic cubes in India. Secret ingredients that they contain is a little bit of tap of love. This gives it the umami flavor as well as the restaurant quality style food that we're looking for. These look like toffee. Yo. That's tasty. Okay, it's not that tasty. I think I'm gonna let my taste buds breathe a little. I'll see you in a while. Alright. I get it. We made some incredible Diet Coke chicken. We made some incredible Diet Coke brownies, which were, need I say, ridiculous? Anyways, now you're wondering, Harsach, we still haven't answered the question. How do I eat my diet? Well, why not, my friend? You have problems, I have solutions. This recipe was inspired by Local Recipes 98. I saw her page and I saw this weird ass looking curvaceous, juiciest watermelon. And I was thinking like, I need some of that juice. Because guess what?
The juice is worth the squeeze.
Anyways, I created my own watermelon jelly. I had some watermelon DC available at home, so I used that as well as some gelatin to make this marvelous creation. It jiggles for love. Anyways, we're gonna try this out as well as make some Diet Coke jelly. So let's get started. Once it becomes jelly, it loses a bit of its sweetness, so we'll be adding a little bit of sugar-free. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you enjoyed all the 3 incredible recipes that we made. For me personally, there's nothing better than the chicken. If I hadn't mentioned enough, Low Calorie Recipes 98 would be linked below. I do read your comments and I know I've been a little inconsistent. But why not? I'm gonna be back with more Gregory bangers as well as more vegetarian bangers. We're gonna be making things that are not paneer. So join the gang. As usual, your love and support is greatly appreciated and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.